Hey guys, hope you are doing good. So this week I was planning something big, but due to tight schedule I couldn't finish that. So hopefully next week I will bring, and I'm 100% sure that will be a big surprise for you. About this video, there is a small function of alignment which I will show you. So most people, uh, you already know about this selection of data and pressing Alt O C A, which is Alt O C A. So all the selected data will be aligned by this keyboard shortcut. But for the people who use VBA languages and macro languages, when they are typing any other macro and what they want at in output, the data should be already aligned. For those, this video is very useful. So for normal Excel users who do not know VBA, I will say this video is not useful to you. This code Alt OCA, if you do not know this, this might help you. Otherwise, this video is not for you. Only if you are looking this video for learning purpose, then you should proceed. So for other people, VBA users, if I will press this button, you can see that all the data is also aligned. This will also cover pivot table. Even if there is any shape, pivot table, all the data in the cell, all the data will be aligned by this code. So what we will do, we will go to this developer tab, this Visual Basic, and we will, so first of all we will see our workbook name. This is align data, so we will go to this align data and we will go to this insert in this module. We will make a new module. Name can be according to your choice. So why do we write this dim WS worksheet and dim PTS pivot table? So that in the rest of the code we don't have to write worksheet or the pivot table again and again. And whenever we will write WS, the code will understand that they are talking about worksheet. And whenever we will write PT, the code will understand that we are talking about pivot table. Instead of refresh data, we will go for refresh table. By writing this, whenever it will align one pivot table, it will move it to second pivot table, and similarly for worksheets. So what it will do, whichever worksheet will be active, or any shapes in that worksheet, whatever the active cells is there, it will select all with this cell dot select and selection dot column dot autofill. All the columns will be autofit according to that. You can see that we have already written code for columns, so only column will select and it will be autofit. But if you want that your row should also be autofit, then what you will do, you will control C and control V, and instead of column we will write rows. So let's see if our code is working or not. So this button is for save, so we will press this. Now we will run this macro. So there is some error, we will see what is this. We will again run this. So as you can see, this code has applied to all the worksheets. Now if you want to make button, suppose there is some report and you don't want to press this Alt OCA or this macro also, you can do that, right? You can go to this developer tab. In this insert button, you can press this button. Size can be according to you. Select this align code and click on this OK. To edit this button, right click it and go to edit text. If you want to change the color, so whenever you will press this, all the data in the worksheet, including pivot table or any shapes, all the data will be aligned. So for test purpose, I will select this data. So whenever I will press this align button, you can see that all the data is aligned. So this is a very short video, and wait for next week. Hope you will like that video too much. So this is a very short video. You might find it useful. So guys, that's all for today. Subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and wait for coming video. Thanks.